Hello, welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Withall. I'm Dave.
And I'm Paul. I'd like to introduce to you today this Adria Twin 640.
Stop, I can't do it. Stop, wait. You know? Better. Carry on.
We'd like to introduce to you today this Twin 640 SLB. If you've got a zest for life and travel, this citrusy beauty is for you.
How do I follow on from that? 140 brake horsepower, 9-speed auto. Take a look.
Solar panel, boarding, alloy wheels and hydraulic levelling.
Oh, electric entrance step, leather interior, twin single beds that could be made into a double,
Third bed in the front, cruise control,
air conditioning, captain's chairs, height adjustable, spin round.
and a duplex bathroom. Let's take a look inside.